Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to change word checkbox from X to the traditional check mark. For this you need to click on the developer tab on the top ribbon, and then when you click on the checkbox content control, you will see that here is a blank checkbox, and when you click on that you will see the traditional cross checkbox. So how you can change this to traditional check mark? For this you need to click on that and go to the developer tab and click on the properties, and then under the change box properties you need to click on the check symbol. Click on the change, and here you will see that found. You need to click on that and select the Wingdings too, and here you need to find the traditional checkbox, and here it is. You need to click on that OK and click OK to apply. So whenever you click on that, now it has been changed to traditional check mark. So this way you can easily change word checkbox from X to the check mark. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.